Hey, what's up, y'all? So, I'm working on this Google Tag Manager blog right now. And as you can see, I got the outline. We're talking about basically what your options are and the features, the descriptions of the features, the use cases. I started it yesterday or early this morning. So, we're going through the tags, the triggers, the variables, the community template gallery tags, and we got some other stuff to add just to give I wanted to make a post to give people a good overview of what's possible and what's available in Google Tag Manager, just because I think it's a very powerful aspect of digital marketing analytics. I think the important thing about Google Analytics is your reports, but to set up the reports and do your tracking, that's where the Google Tag Manager comes in. So I'm going to search the gallery here, copy this info, and kind of just let you guys watch me work. This is if you were interested in being a digital marketer, especially on the analytical side. This is pretty cool. Something for you to see that you might not know about, just to get an idea of what's involved. It's kind of like a job shadowing thing. So I'm gonna take this and let's see here. Let me pause it. Okay, so I'm gonna just paste this info in and do a little work to fix it up. So we're going to do a find and replace with regex. I can't remember what the new line thing was. Let's see if I can replace it. Okay, that wasn't it. Okay, let me let me go back and figure out what there's a regex symbol for line breaks that I need to. Okay, here's the line break. Here's the line break symbol. So /R/N. I know /N is new line. I guess /R is return. So let's find regex and let's replace all. Okay, cool. So once you do that, you basically are identifying where the line break is with the three dots. You can come into your split to text, separator, do custom, and dot. That is how I get just the name of the tag thing instead of only I don't care who it's by, right? I'm just trying to describe the tool. Okay, yeah, you could always go into Google Tag Manager yourself to get the to figure out who made the actual tag or feature tool. So some of them are a little broken, so that's why I just come in like skip down to find the gaps and then just drag over the name. I don't know what's up with the format of Google Tag Manager on these, but it's not completely consistent. And one second. So you can see some of these tag templates look a little familiar, similar to the tags themselves, but it's not exactly equivalent. It's almost just as many, 668 tag templates or so. So I'm just gonna grab these just to be thorough, so you can see everything available. And I'm gonna put the descriptions in for any of these that look interesting, because most people never look at these, right? But I'm thinking there could be some like hidden gems, some value in here of things I wasn't aware you were capable of in Google Tag Manager, because obviously there's more to the tool than just tags, triggers, and variables, right? They got some built-in stuff here. There could be some super cool tools we don't know about that we can use for our marketing. Any kind of edge you can get, and if it's free and Google's giving it to you already, why not check it out? So I'm just doing a little research, digging in. As someone who's been using this tool pretty consistently for probably since 2017, it's my job to know, right? So I said, you know what? Instead of doing like the standard, hey, here's the basics, or here's me, showing you stuff that's typical, I said, let's actually do something that I would want to know beyond just the beginner level. Because I think that stuff is already there. There was a time where it wasn't, But a lot of that's already there. And if you do need that kind of stuff, I have some of it already. Obviously, I haven't covered every aspect, but I think there's more valuable things in the tool that once you're beyond the beginner level, you'd want to know about. So, showing you my amazing Excel skills, I'm going to come over here and start this new section, GTM tag templates. And I actually don't know if there's another blog where they describe all of these in lists like this. So I think it's cool to lay it out. So GTM tag templates 660. So let's just bold that so it stands out. Then we're gonna make a list. Boom. Okay. Oh, there's one thing I forgot to do. Hold on. Okay, had to remove the table setting from Google Sheets. So just make it text format. So when I paste it, it does like that. Okay. Boom. 668. Now let's go to the next section. Instead of just tag templates, first I need to link this. And we want to link our links for the links. The format is you put a hashtag for your anchor, right? So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna link this, and the hashtag will be tag templates. Boom. Okay. Oops. Forgot the G on GTM. Okay, so let's bold that. Okay. Then let's see. Then you're gonna go down and you gotta actually add a link to that section, right? To jump there. And so this is something I had to figure out. This is kind of ridiculous how long this is, but there are weird people like me out here who like to see it all written out. And so what you're gonna say is you're gonna add a link, and the link's not actually. No, you're not gonna add a link. You're gonna edit as HTML, or you are gonna add a link, but it's not gonna go anywhere. Well, I just put tag. Ooh, didn't mean to do that. Undo, redo. Yeah, let's not play with that. Tag templates. Come down here. It's a lot of scrolling. That's why I'm adding the jump links, the anchor links. So we need basically you're gonna put an A something like that. Then you close the A like that. Boom. Alright. So you're gonna update that. Preview. Tag templates. Jumps down, click it, starts back up at the top. Cool. So now we're gonna do another one for the variable templates. Okay. So we're scrolling, we're copying all your options. We're copying all your options. Let's open a new sheet. Let's paste that. Let's do r/r/n. Replace all. Oh, so you gotta select the regular expressions first. Cool. So I don't know why this is acting so weird. I guess these boxes, right? I must have copied that. I don't want all that. Let's see if I can get away. Doesn't look like it. Looks like it's all gonna copy. Yeah. Okay, no problem. So let's go here. Split text to columns. Okay, it did that part automatically. Good. I got rid of the letters in front from the boxes. Now let's do it again. Split text to columns. Detect automatic. Let's do custom. Okay. So now I have the name of whatever this thing is. The variable template. I have that separate from the maker of the template. And so that looks clean. Okay, we can copy this. Edit. Let's go here. What is it called? Variable templates. Okay. And how many we have? 115. When you make your list, do I have options for how I paste it? Okay, so we're gonna come here, do list, a numbered list, and paste. Okay. So now this is the full overall view of your it's the full overall view of your options, the features. Let's edit this as HTML. I want the href blank. Doesn't need that. And what you want in here, delete all that. Nobody cares. It's gonna be variable templates. Yeah. Okay, let's copy this. Go back to visual. Go up to the top of the outline. Set 15. Put the hashtag internal link to variable templates. Update. Okay, and so now I have this finished. What I'm going through is kind of identifying features of interest and actually putting the description of them. So like I didn't know what floodlight was, and I thought it would be important for you guys to know what conversion linker is for. So I went through some of these and added the descriptions already. I'm gonna do the same thing. I did the same thing with some of the trigger options, just because I thought it was important to know what's the difference between initialization, page view, DOM view, window loaded, right? And so these all mean different things. They're all different phases, and one comes before the other. So it may be important for some of you to know the difference based on what you're trying to accomplish with your trigger, which one to choose. Okay, because they're not really well defined within Google Tag Manager what the difference is. So you also have your variable options. These are things you may want to know about, like scroll depth. All right, when they get a certain amount down of a certain distance down the page, or video percent when someone plays your video a certain percentage or duration that you've embedded on your website, you may want to trigger something. Like for scroll depth, you may want to trigger a pop-up. Okay, more tags, community template gallery. These are things to explore and figure out what they do, right? What they're good for. So that'll be the next video, me coming through here and kind of pointing out anything I thought was interesting or useful. But as you can see, I'm thousands of items deep, right? But who else is going to do this but someone who loves Google Tag Manager? And I'm expecting that I'm going to find some very interesting stuff. Let's see here. We got, what was this? The tag templates. Yeah. I've never actually used the tag template, but like I said, I'm sure the templates are there for a reason, and at least one of these is bound to be doing something very interesting, like Facebook Conversions API, right? A tag that could be something, Facebook Pixel. It could be something there more useful than or more convenient than making one for yourself, right? So that's the good thing about it. I'm not able to bold these once I skip on it, so I'm not gonna bother. I'll worry about that later. What else? We got the variable templates, yeah, and the tag templates. So that's all for today. I just wanted to show you guys what I've been working on. This is already up live on the blog. I didn't want to hold on to it, but that's 12, 13, 14. It's over 1,400. But one day at a time, right? At least you got them all laid out in one place. I will update you on the rest next video. See you.